Hello everyone, I'm Sneha Shetty and in this video we'll be studying about the page replacement algorithm, that is least recently used page replacement algorithm. Least recently used page replacement algorithm replaces the page that was least recently used. For example, a process consists of 5 pages, page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the processor is asking for the pages in this sequence, which is also called as the reference string. Now, the frames allocated for this particular process in the main memory is 3. Let's see with an example how the least recently used algorithm works. So we have 3 frames and the example string is this one. So in the first step, page number 1 will be brought into memory. In the second step, page number 2 will be brought into memory. And in third step, page number 3 will be brought into memory. Now, when the processor requests for page number 4, we have to see which was the pages which was least used. That is, first page which was used is, first priority page which is used is 3. So 3 will be kept in the main memory. Then we have 2. And the least recently used page is 1. So the remaining frame in the main memory will be replaced with the page number 4. Next, we have a request for page number 1. Now see towards your left, you have page number 4 which is already in the main memory. Keep it as it is. Next you have page number 3 which is already in the main memory. Keep it as it is. And the last frame which was referenced is 2. Now replace it with 1. Next the request is for page number 2. Now see towards your left and recently used pages, write it as it is, and least recently used. We have 1 here and then we have 4 here. So write it down in the same place. Last frame which is left out will be replaced with the new page, that is 2. Next request is for page number 5. See here, page number 2 and page number 1 was recently used and least recently used was page number 4. So replace it with page number 5. Next request for page is page number 1 which is already in the main memory. So it is a hit. Again, 2 is already in the main memory. It is a hit. Next, the processor asks for page number 3. Now see towards your left. Write down page number 2 which was recently used. Then write down page number 1. Left out frame will be filled with page number 3. Same goes with 4. 3 and 2. Last frame is replaced with 4. When the page request is for page number 5, 4 and 3 remains as it is, and then last frame will be filled with page number 5. So this easy method which you can follow is, see towards your left which were the pages recently used, write it down in the same position, and then the last frame which is left out will be replaced with your new page. Now let's count what are the number of page fault in this particular reference string. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the page fault is 10 and the number of page hit is 2. We already know what is a page fault and a page hit. Page fault is nothing but that particular page which the processor is requesting is not in the main memory and it has to be brought to the main memory for the processing. And what is a page hit? this particular page is already present in the main memory. It need not be brought in again. So it is a hit or a page hit. We will see one more example. So the reference string is given here and the number of frames is 3 frames. So first 3 pages are going to go in a sequence. So it is 7 and then you take page 0 and then next is page number 1. When it is page number 2, now see which was the page recently used. It is page number 1, then page number 0, then it is page number 7. So 7 is the page which was least recently used. So what they are saying, replace the page that was least recently used. Now write down 1 and 0, then replace 7 with the new page 2. 0 is already present, so it is a hit. Next is page number 3. So which are the recently used pages? 0 and then it is 2. Left out frame, fill it with page number 3. 0 is a hit because it is already present. Then page number 4, 0 and then 3 were recently used. The last recently used was 2. See here, 0 was used, write it in the same place. Then 3 was used, write it in the same place. Least recently used out of these 3 pages is 2. Okay. So replace 4 with 2. Next is page number 2. 4 and 0 remains and 3 is replaced with 2. Next for page number 3, 2 and 4 remains as it is, whereas 0 is replaced with 3. Next for page number 0, 3 and 2 remains as it is, 4 is replaced with page number 0, 3 is a hit and again 2 is a hit. Both these pages are present in the main memory. Next we want page number 1. So 2 is the recently used page, write it. 3 is the recently used page. 0 is the least recently used page. So replace it with 1. 2 is in the main memory, so it is a hit. Then for 0, 2 remains as it is, 1 remains as it is. Page number 3 will be replaced with page number 0. 1 is a hit. And then for page number 7, page number 1 remains as it is, page number 0 remains as it is, 7 will be replaced with, 2 will be replaced with page number 7. 0 is a hit, 1 is a hit. Number of page fault in this particular given example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the number of page fault is 12 and page hit is 8. So this is all for this video. Thank you.